Enra ayonokre Kumasi Asante Kotoko former captain, former player Agadas Richard Bodu ene Kotoko training or Addae na as to say all joining Kumasi Asante Kotoko no eno no enye confirm na there is another player na say utise ni din APA media no so about the fact say or joining Krobia Asante Kotoko Ukumapemba Meka Elvis Bernard Addae or a striker or Niger FC fan or no so or no titiri entina ye this particular injury movie atumuno me no e kase any date 14th of January 2026 no Koroko have made a decision on the player. Now the decision on the player is that they have pulled out of the mover nanka omoye for the Nigerian player, a friend of Bernard Elvis Addae. It's official confirmation means can yet to come into the media. So as we speak, the transfer deadline I can confidently report to you here on the Super 24 TV and also said Bernard Elvis Addae Kumasi Asante Kotoko no is totally off. Say you may ena sonie ebema adwen ena nsesa bia badia and also adichie mu nsem. But for now, as we speak, based on the information I've received from a very top hierarchy of Asante Kotoko no, they are pulling out of the deal exclusively on Super 24 TV. Me pacho unsubscribe here, no I hit the rest subscribe button, know about them and also now you're joining together. Kotoko reaction also live WhatsApp, which is 0247 107260. Kotoko WhatsApp platform Kotoko for UK, New York, New Jersey, Jamaica, China, no and you also need Kumasi Asante Kotoko who abobo and yate poi. And see, don't hesitate to WhatsApp me on this particular number on the top right corner hono fa na yedika subum no so together na mamemfa we so enter to the same number no me ameka say me am personal number mo pese edin komo bia especially dwuma ye di ne ha no ye hia sponsors enti madaroma sa woni dwadi ton bia pese baba ye be ton ho dewura ma ye be bo ho dewura ma wa. If you don't have any product or services which will require advertisement, you can still come in as a sponsor to push the program. Me so sinipa be brain e fair bruchire Ghana for ne ade. O pese o so ya sene na dwumadi ayedi no ekonanim ekonenkan bebra misro na wafa numbers no na one akasa na afi ekwan bia in any form which you would want to support us no, we are here to work with you. That's Asante Kotoko. Awesome. Into the fact say you're awesome no. Quite be also let my first one contribute to Asante Kotoko no. We are all here to ensure say be successful. Now quick one. I don't have be news be said. On say Dreams FC former goalkeeper currently or Accra House of Folk no, which is Solomon Agbazi to Kumasi Asante Kotoko no gaining momentum because apparently the deal with Accra House of Folk no any permanent. This is the official confirmation but the deal with Accra House of Folk or official confirmation. But I reiterated that between this transfer window ya kind of niche player enjoying Kumasi Asante Kotoko. On joining Kumasi Asante Kotoko, there could be a potential talks for him in the long run to come and replace Kamara Mohammed. What should clearly say Obeko at the end of the season because when you offers elsewhere, in the time between now and then he's not going to come to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. In the long run, so and yet assured, and it is tantamount and it is subjected to say in the long run your season we not still na coach Abdul Karim Zito and that's all there the high chances of joining Kumasi Asante Kotoko no a bit me high based on only Accra folk nkomo mbedi. Accra folk currently problem I want to say they have a transfer ban of 2 seasons, was saying 2 transfer windows, was saying. Therefore, and no esi omo kwan say omo sign the players. See bedro na Accra folk omo left omo ban na they can extend for that goalkeeper to still be with Accra folk. However, see bedro na problems na Accra folk wo mu eda so wo a no be man Kotoko ba no ebe koso based on if only Coach Abdul Karim Zito eda so Kotoko. Then there's another gist I'm a fan Margaret into CFA. Goalkeeper ba ko a ono so abo Kotoko pen. The thing I imagine and ya say he's open to join Kumasi Asante Kotoko because in the last club or boy, for now he's free agent, which is Razak Abalora. Razak Abalora currently a free agent. Now I'm told to say not only Kotoko, now he's open to join quite some number of Premier League clubs and also they are after him. Now no, based on information I mean say can I say the agent is working a deal through Senka Kotoko ebe show interest na Kotoko actual to them so that ebe man because goalkeeper no who say or unfinished business with Krobia Asante Kotoko also oba na osabebo agent din e Kotoko but when you know agent for ni bi na say nyoma goalkeeper nsa no wa ha e na okoye nti okoye arinja o se be henipa enye goalkeeper no asem na make but more players one no wa ha mote kama but abuchi bosi yeko na no pana many Brad David New York did come about Kotoko players no some of them are really ungrateful. Kotoko players some of them are ungrateful. Some of Kotoko now supporters see dem pe bia omoye mamo ebi send this kefra brochiri e de mamo enya sem keto about na meko because no ko na ni din akoira na fi in the long run no nya no say be press or be Kotoko me person me bo obi edin by examples no bebre ho. Yeah, currently as we speak, Agadas training with Kotoko, but Safujem is saying at the end of the season, and currently, no, Kotoko do not need that kind of Agadas play, no, because they say no, Prince Bedu Abba, Adabo, Saint Kojo, Hilary Adab, Hubert Joe, Kotoko midfield no dorsum. Kotoko midfield are just too much. Inti Agadas to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. To say the Safujem V kana. Sebe at the end of the season a bit my at the end of the season. Na ebe enene china so dia emrene nkrabia na ebe name no the decision which has been made about getting a striker who was Elvis Addae Sisi Kotoko decided to say we're pulling out officially.